Andre, I'm going to wrap it up with you. So, out of necessity, you're going to be a significant producer of manganese ore. And if we buy the narrative that the rest of the world's mines are running out before South Africa's mines, you could probably be a significant participant in expansion. And from that base, you think the beneficiation and or battery space makes sense? Is that, but why don't you rather tell us what ARM is going to do?
Yeah, I think, you know, the narrative on the manganese ore, the normal operations, we're going to continue with that and do that as smart and as good as at the best that we can. As I said, we've invested all the money and we're ready to go, you know. So on that, we're well set up and we're well prepared for the future. On the smelting side, we know that South Africa is going to be challenged with electricity. We, as ARM, we've been part of the process. We've actually, I think about 10 years ago, we had 15 furnaces operating in partnership with ASO. We had 15 furnaces operating. Today, we three of them are operating. And it's because of the energy crisis that we have. But through this technology that we're pursuing, we believe we can bring that back again into South Africa. And then you're not